Vienna's culinary scene is famous for its delicate schnitzel dishes. Schnitzel originated from traditional Austrian and German recipes. Thin cutlets of meat are essential for an authentic schnitzel experience. Fresh ingredients and precise preparation methods are highly valued. Crisp coatings and tender interiors define the perfect schnitzel bite. Vienna's cafes and restaurants proudly serve this beloved dish daily. Schnitzel is often served with a side of fresh lemon and potatoes. Traditional cooking methods involve gentle breading and frying techniques. Chefs in Vienna take great care in selecting the finest meat cuts available. Street food stalls and markets also offer delicious schnitzel variations. Food markets in Vienna showcase the diversity of schnitzel recipes. Local chefs continue to innovate and refine the classic schnitzel recipe. Vienna's chefs carefully prepare thin cutlets for the iconic schnitzel dish daily. Fresh ingredients are essential for creating the perfect schnitzel coating texture. Crisp breadcrumbs and light egg washes help achieve the desired crunch outside. Traditional cooking methods involve gently pounding the cutlets to perfection. Local chefs continue to innovate while preserving the classic schnitzel recipe. Schnitzel in Vienna restaurants often feature elegant plating and garnishes. Street food vendors also serve authentic schnitzel with a crispy exterior. Food market stalls showcase the diversity of schnitzel recipes and ingredients. Hands move quickly in Vienna's kitchens as chefs cook traditional schnitzel. Chefs' attention to detail ensures each schnitzel cutlet is cooked to perfection. The classic combination of crisp coating and tender meat is a hallmark. Schnitzel remains a beloved dish in Vienna's cafe culture and beyond. Fresh parsley adds a bright flavor to Vienna's schnitzel dish as always. Thinly sliced cutlets are essential for achieving the perfect crisp coating. Locally sourced veal or pork is often preferred for its tender texture. Vienna's chefs carefully select the finest ingredients for their schnitzel. A light dusting of flour helps the coating adhere to the meat perfectly. Beaten eggs and breadcrumbs create a delicate crust on the schnitzel. Fresh lemon wedges are typically served on the side for added flavor. Vienna's street food stalls offer a variety of schnitzel dishes to try. Crisp schnitzel is often served with a side of tangy potato salad. Traditional cooking methods are still used in many Vienna restaurants. Chefs' hands move quickly as they prepare the schnitzel for plating. Plated schnitzel is garnished with fresh herbs and served immediately. Vienna's cafes serve schnitzel with a side of fresh salad and potatoes. Crisp coating and tender meat make it a beloved dish in Vienna. Schnitzel is often enjoyed in traditional restaurants and street food stalls. Fresh ingredients are essential for preparing authentic Vienna-style schnitzel. Chefs in Vienna take great care in preparing each schnitzel cutlet. Schnitzel is typically served hot, straight from the kitchen to the table. The dish is often paired with a cold beer or a glass of wine. Vienna's food culture is deeply rooted in its history and traditions. Schnitzel is a staple in Vienna's culinary scene, enjoyed by locals and tourists. The city's cafes and restaurants offer a unique atmosphere to enjoy schnitzel. Schnitzel remains a timeless classic in Vienna, cherished by the community. Vienna's chefs continually innovate traditional schnitzel recipes with fresh ingredients. Thin cutlets of pork, chicken, or veal are commonly used in modern variations. Crisp coatings made from light breading and spices enhance the dish's texture. Local cafes serve classic Wiener Schnitzel with a side of lemon and potatoes. Food markets in Vienna offer a range of schnitzel dishes, including street food. Restaurants in the city showcase the versatility of schnitzel with unique toppings. Traditional cooking methods, such as pan frying, are still widely used today. Fresh parsley and capers add a burst of flavor to the traditional recipe. Vienna's culinary scene is shaped by its rich history and cultural influences. Chefs carefully balance the crisp exterior with a tender interior in each cutlet. Schnitzel is often served with a side of tangy sauces, such as lemon butter. Vienna's timeless schnitzel tradition continues to inspire new generations of chefs. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.